children, welcome back to our grammar class. In our last video, we have learnt about adverbs and adverbs of manner. So let us revise the topic. So children, an adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, adjective or adverb. Many adverbs end in ly. Yes children, adverbs describes how, when and where an action is done. Let us see more about adverbs. Here we are going to learn about three kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time and adverbs of place. Yes children, in our last video we have already discussed about adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner say something happens or is done, and it is the answer of question how. See the example: happily, angrily, slowly, carefully, fast, etc. Most adverbs of manner ends with ly. She walks slowly. If we ask the question with how she walked? Slowly. So slowly is the adverb of manner. John drove carefully. The soldiers fought bravely. So here slowly, carefully and bravely are the adverbs of manner. Now today we are going to learn about adverb of place and adverb of time. Let us see adverb of place first. Where is Peter? Here. So here Peter is here. It shows place. Adverbs of place tell us the place where something happens. They answer the question where. Adverb of place mainly modify verbs. Let us see the examples. Please sit here. Where should I sit? The answer is here. So, here is a adverb of place. It modifies the verb sit. They look everywhere. Where did they look? Everywhere. So everywhere is a adverb of place because it indicates place. It shows us a place where a thing is happening. Two cars were parked outside. Where were two cars parked? Outside. So outside is the adverb of place. See here more examples of adverb of place. Out, in, upstairs, near, far, here, there. All these are adverbs of place. Let us see more examples. The bus stops here. Where the bus stops? Here. So here is a adverb of place. Children are playing outside the home. Outside is the adverb of place. It is raining. You have to play indoors. They are hiding somewhere in the garden. So here indoors and somewhere are adverbs of place. The beads from the broken necklace rolled everywhere. Mohan ran upstairs to watch television. So here everywhere and upstairs are the adverbs of place. The monkeys are playing inside the house. Here are the kids you are looking for. So where are the kids? Here. Where the monkey playing? Inside the house. So inside and here are the adverbs of place. So children, let us see more exercise. Read the following sentence and underline the adverb of place. Let us see first one. Kamakshi went upstairs to meet her aunt. What is the adverb of place? Yes, exactly. Upstairs is the adverb of place. The wallet and car keys were kept downstairs. Yes, downstairs is the adverb of place. The teacher was standing outside the class. Yes, outside. The water was everywhere after the flood. Everywhere. Don't worry about the children. They are playing outside. Yes, outside. So here upstairs, downstairs, outside, everywhere and outside are the adverb of place. So children, I hope you understand adverbs of place nicely. Now children, let us understand what is adverbs of time. So children, we learned that some adverbs describes where an action takes place. They are adverbs of place. While some adverbs describes when an action is done. They answer the question when. They are called adverbs of time. Let us see with the examples. Adverbs of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when. They are called adverbs of time. Let us see the examples. The train has already left. When we ask the question with when did the train left? The answer is already left. So already is the adverb of time. We moved into our new house last week. When did we move into our new house? Last week. So last week is a adverbs of time. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. When does our favorite TV program start? At 6 o'clock. So it is adverb of time. I am going to my new school tomorrow. So here already, last week, at 6 o'clock and tomorrow are the adverbs of time. Adverbs of time explains when an action happens. Read this sentence. I am having a party. When we ask the question with when and whatever answer we get, they are like this. And they are adverbs of time. When I have a party. Today, tonight, tomorrow, next week, right now. So all these are adverbs of time. Let us see more examples. The school will open tomorrow. It is hot today. Tomorrow and today are the adverbs of time. We read a story book yesterday. The doctor came immediately. Yesterday and immediately are the adverbs of time. My sister wakes up early in the morning. Rahi arrived late. Here, early and late are the adverbs of time. Get up now or you will miss your bus. I will see you soon. So here, now and soon are the adverbs of time. Now student, let us see more exercise. Underline the adverb of time in these sentences. They love to go for vacation yearly. What is the adverb of time here? When do they go for vacation? Yes, early. So here early is the answer. So early is the adverb of time. I am definitely going to visit my aunt tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow is the adverb of time. I saw that film last year. Last year. All the teachers and students have to do work from home this month. This month. He will complete the assignment soon. Yes, soon. So here, yearly, tomorrow, last year, this month and soon are the adverbs of time. So children, I hope you understand adverbs of time nicely. Now, let us see more exercise. Write the adverb and tick in the column to show its kind. See here, adverb of manner, time and place is given. You have to find out the adverb and then tick which kind of adverb it is. Rohit played yesterday. Yes, yesterday is a adverb of time. The car stops here. Here is the adverb of place. How beautifully she is dressed. Beautifully. Adverb of manner. The child ran upstairs. Upstairs. Adverb of place. The athlete is running quickly. Quickly. Adverb of manner. The soldiers march forward. Forward. Adverb of place. He acted smartly. Smartly is the adverb of manner. So here we understand the exercise. What is adverb of manner, what is adverb of time and what is adverb of place. So children, you have to complete your textbook exercise in your textbook. Okay, bye bye.